Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fantastic recipe for you that's going to satisfy your taste buds. We'll be making a mouth-watering dish using minced meat, baked to perfection. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Now, take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Place the minced meat on the sheet, spreading it out evenly. Let's season the meat to enhance its flavors. I'm using a combination of salt, pepper, and a blend of Italian herbs. But feel free to get creative and use your favorite seasonings. Now, let's add some aromatic onions and garlic. These will add depth to the dish and infuse the meat with incredible flavors. Once you've added the onions and garlic, gently mix everything together using your hands or a fork. Make sure the seasonings and aromatics are evenly distributed throughout the minced meat. Once the minced meat is perfectly baked, carefully remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. You can then slice it into portions and serve it with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables, mashed potatoes, or a fresh salad. Enjoy! That's it for today's delicious minced meat recipe. We hope you give it a try and enjoy this simple yet flavorful dish. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.